I thought this was a cool little animation
Mm.
of those like pocket books where like people draw on them and then they do like a flip book.
Mm-hmm.
So this one's pretty cool. They did one of the Avengers, or at least part of one, and it's 1,100 drawings, 700 hours, and one flip book.
It's like pencil
Reddit.
drawings.
And every frame is different.
Oh,
So this is a scene from the Avengers movie,
It's insane.
and this guy drew every frame
wow.
from a scene.
So insane. So insane. 737 hours doesn't seem like enough. I would need 7,000 hours
Yeah.
to draw this. This is like old school animation.
Man, if I drew one of these frames, I'd frame it. I'd be like, look at my drawing.
Damn right you
You know
would.
what I mean?
You're damn right you would. And then the guy would be like,
And this guy did how many?
he'd be like,
1,000.
just draw 1,133 more.
Yeah.
Mo. And you'd be like, what? I've been
Like,
here
there's
all
no-
day.
What's impressive is that there's no cheating with it. It's like you drew
Right, you can.
every single frame.
Uh-huh.
As far as we know.
Well,
Hello.
It's
Yeah.
actually a deep fake.
the sketch filter. Yeah.
No, it's very cool.
That's very cool.
I have tremendous appreciation for such things. It's so much effort.
All the shading and
So much effort. Nothing-
Detail.
Somebody says they're going to turn this type of thing into an NFT.
Yeah.
sell each individual frame.
Would this fix NFTs for you, Will?
No.
Okay.
No.
There's no-
It can't.
There's no saving Will's relationship with NFTs. Is it lower now? Lower than a 4? You were a 4 before. You're a 3 now?
No, there's no developments.
Okay.
So my opinion hasn't changed.
We'll be sure to update you guys on Will's NFT meter, which has been locked at a 4 recently. His 3D printing meter has gone up a little bit recently. as
It's
well.
at a 7?
It's at a 7.
What's your stock meter
What do you mean?
right now? Scale of 1 to 10. Your
I really-
interest level.
Yes, it's a 10. I'm very interested.
Yeah. Yes.
Yes,
Yes, to be clear.